Hey guys, it's me, Happy in Funland. Welcome back to my channel. And in Funland, welcome back to my channel. And today I have a super special thing for you guys. 1 minute. Yeah, that's better. I have a super special thing and a super fun thing for you guys. So can you guys guess what that thing is? Guess what this thing is? Can you guys guess? Can you? Can you? Can you? If you guys can't guess, I'll tell you. My name is Mystery Wheel. Ta-da! This is a mystery wheel. And guess what? I made this at home. La 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 la. I made this mystery wheel at home, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a mystery wheel at home just like this. So yeah, actually, you guys will be wondering that what is a mystery wheel? Well, most of us already know, but if you guys don't know, I'll tell you. Hey mystery wheel, can you move aside please? Yes, sure, I'm gonna move aside. Oh, very good of you. So yeah, this is the mystery wheel and I'll show you how to make it at home. So yeah, mystery wheels are actually, they are used for many things. Like mostly they're used for games, and sometimes they're used to be picking up the slime ingredients. So you guys know what is slime. So when we make slime, sometimes we need to, sometimes we get confused what to pick, and sometimes we like to make it interesting by spinning the mystery wheel. So basically there's slime ingredients written on the mystery wheel, and then when we spin it, whatever it lands on, that is the ingredient we're gonna pick. Sometimes it's also used in normal games like spinning the mystery wheel and doing whatever it lands on and something like that. So then maybe there will be a bunch of things written on the mystery wheel, and then we gotta spin it, and whatever it lands on is the thing we gotta do. So today I'm going to be showing you that how to make it at home. You guys will be wondering that we can get that in stores too. Why do we need to make it? But sometimes it's difficult to find the mystery wheels in stores because mystery wheels are not always available in stores. Because it's not like, most people don't buy it and it's not a normal stuff. So that's why don't we just do something creative? And it was my holidays, my vacation going on. So I decided why don't do some fun art and craft. And I decided to make a mystery wheel and share it with you guys. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin. The first thing you're going to need is, let me tell you the materials. You're going to need some cardboard. These white cardboard I'm using. You're going to need some paint, some paint brushes and a pencil. You're going to need some scissors. And you're going to need a razor, of course, a ruler, and another paint. I have another paint, and some markers for the finishing touch. Put it on the side. Let's begin. First, we need to draw a circle for making these. Let's make the circle. So I'm done. Wait. And now I'm done. This is the circle. Ooh. The circle is done. Now we gotta cut it out. Let's cut it. Actually cut it. It'll be something. Wait, first let's cut it. Wait. After cutting, the circle will be something like this. Well, without the paint, it'll be a circle. And then you gotta draw lines on it. Let me just show ya. Okay, well guys, I have a better idea. Why don't we just don't cut it? Let's first draw everything and then at the last, we're gonna cut it. So now as I showed you in this, you have to draw these lines, which you guys can see in this circle. These lines, you gotta draw those with the pencil. Draw the lines like this and then like this, and so many lines, so many. But the lines depend upon how many spaces you need to write your words. So here I am, done with it. Loop, 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 loop. Okay, now we're gonna paint this. Let's paint it. Let's paint. Now I'm gonna be painting it, and the first color I am using is this green. I'm using this green in here, and mostly try to use lighter colors so that when you write, your words can be visible. If you take darker colors, they might not be visible. And yeah, and I forgot to show you guys one material that you need is some plastic transparent sheet, plastic sheet. It should be transparent. Hello, it's me. Now let's paint one of the partitions, like one of the parts, like one of the triangles. Color. Maybe painting it. Paint, 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 paint. Ow. Paint, 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 paint. Try using a fat brush because with that, your work can be done faster. Here, I'm using a fat paintbrush. With the fat paintbrush, the work is always done very quickly. I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. And I'm almost done, guys. There you go. And I'm done coloring it. I mean, doing it. Or, yeah, painting it. It can be anything. Ta-da! And I'm done. And just a little bit got out of here. That doesn't matter. So here I'm done one part, and now I'm going to be coloring the whole circle in different colors. So guys, basically after painting, the circle will look something like this. Oh, you guys can see. Like this. And then you just need to do the outline with a black marker of lines, which I showed you. You need to do the outline with the black marker. And then you need to put this transparent sheet, which I showed you. Where is it? Oh no, it fell down. Just a minute. Ow. So you need to put it and take the correct size of your circle, and then you just need to put it on top of the circle. I already did that in here. You guys can see the shine. So yeah, that is done. And now it'll be something like this. And now for the most important thing, how will it spin? Yes, for that you will need also a cardboard box. You're gonna need a cardboard box to put it on. So yeah, and you're gonna need not a safety pin, but this kind of pin. Now open up the box. Open the box and take the bottom part of it. I took the bottom part. Now I'll just show you what to do. Ow. So yeah, all you have to do. Okay, so as I was telling you, all you have to do is you need to take the circle, the complete circle, and do not stick it on this. Just put it on like this, like catch it with your hand, and then just through the middle of the circle, just push it inside the box, like this. Alright? And then, using an earring stopper, this thing, using an earring stopper, you need to secure it at the back. When you push it inside from the front, your pin is going to come out from here. So put it at the back so that the pin stays in place. Oh, I'll do it. So I am done. And just try to keep that pin a little bit loose so that you can spin it. If you put the pin really tight, the wheel will not spin. So try to keep it loose so that it can spin. And now let's see if it spins. It spins so good. But now, how will we know on what thing it landed? So for that, let's do a thing. You need an ink tube of an old pen. Take out the ink tube of the old pen and then cut a little bit part of it and then fold it in half. Like this. As you can see, this thing will show us on what it landed. And then that thing, you got to stick it on the box. Stick that half ink tube on the box. And now you will always know what you did. But yeah. Just at the bottom of the straw, the ink tube, just paint a little bit with red paint. So I will paint it with red paint. Here I have the red paint, and I will paint the bottom of it. Well, if you don't do it, it's going to be no problem because it will already show you where you landed. So no problem. I'm not doing it. So this is how you make a mystery wheel at home. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. And that time, maybe we can play with the mystery wheel. But now before going, I want to show you guys if it really works. Let's see. Wow. It works really good. Ooh. And now because you have the plastic sheet, let me tell you why I put the plastic sheet on it. When you put the plastic sheet, you can write things on it and then you can rub it and write new things. But if you do not put the plastic sheet, you will not be able to write on paint. And somehow if you manage to write on the paint, you cannot rub it, right? Then you will have to make another mystery wheel. So that's why putting the plastic sheet is important. So that whenever you write with the markers, you can rub it and then write again. Now, well, I'm not making slime, but let's just try it out. Let's see. Here I have the black marker, and let's see if it works. Alright. So I wrote blue glitter glue. It's not actually seen so good. Let's spin it if I get it. Huh? What? Oh, see, my pin was very tight, so that's why it did not spin so good. So that's why be careful that your pin is a little bit loose that it can spin. So hope you liked it. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, bye bye.